Welcome to this video. Today, in this video, we will discuss distance formula between 2 points. If you are told that your house is located 15 kilometers east and 20 kilometers north from the temple, then can you find the distance from the temple to the house? First of all, we represent it graphically, which is what we see in this picture, where point O is represented as temple and point B as the house. Let the point O be located at the origin point 0, 0. If point O is joined to the point B, then a right-angled triangle is obtained here. Here, the line OB tells the distance between the temple and the house. Can you tell something by looking at this right-angled triangle? Good. In the first chapter, we learned that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides, which is the Pythagoras theorem. Here, by using the Pythagoras theorem in this graph, we obtain the distance between the origin point O to B as 25. So the distance between the temple and the house will be 25 kilometers. Now, if your school is located 20 kilometers east and 30 kilometers north of the house, then can you find the distance between the house and the school? Let's solve this together. As we have seen from the graph, the coordinates of the point B are 15 from the x-axis and 20 from the y-axis. Then, let's represent the coordinates of the point B, that is 15, as x1 and 20 as y1. Similarly, school has the coordinates of the point D will be obtained as 35 from the x-axis and 50 from the y-axis. Then, represent the coordinates of the point D, that is 35 as x2 and 50 as y2. Since now we have to find the distance between these 2 points, that is point B and point D, we draw the perpendiculars BP and DQ from the points B and D respectively on the x-axis. And also, let's draw another perpendicular from the point B on DQ, which intersects DQ at the point R. Can you tell the coordinates of the points P and Q? Good. The coordinates of point P and Q are 15, 0 and 35, 0 respectively. Here, OP equals x1, OQ equals x2, so PQ equals x2 minus x1, which is equal to BR. And looking carefully at the graph, QD equals y2 and QR equals y1, which is equal to PB. Hence, RD will be equal to y2 minus y1. So in triangle BRD, using the Pythagoras theorem, from equation 3, that is, the distance between the point B, x1, y1 and point D, x2, y2, BD equals square root of the square of x2 minus x1 plus the square of y2 minus y1, which is called the distance formula. Since distance is always non-negative, here we will take the positive square root. Now in equation 3, put the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2, from which the distance between the points B and D is obtained as 10 square root 13. So, the distance between the house and the school is 10 square root 13 kilometers. Today, in this video, we studied the distance formula between 2 points. In the next video, we will practice some examples based on this.
Yeah. you for watching. If you are still new to my channel, please press the subscribe and notification bell to be always updated to all my upcoming videos. Thank you. Always at your service, Sir Absolon.
Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling. At sa tuwing ikaw ay lalapit, ang mundo ko'y